Ready for the hike, huh?
I am.
You are?
I think we leave the stroller here.
Yeah, just leave it there.
You can leave the fishing pole.
Ê, lấy tới bên kia hả? Nó bạn ạ.
And if I load my, if it's spot on the side over there, there's a spot right there on the side of the bridge right there.
Is it scary?
No, it's beautiful down here.
Wow. Let's go to the bridge. Let's go to the bridge. Let's go. Okay, okay. We can go fishing in there, Cole. In there. Under the bridge.
To be honest, I don't get very far off of it.
That's so cool. See, there's actually a trail go down there. Scary trail.
I didn't even know it.
Let's go fishing. You sure you want to come, Ken? Cat? Let me hold you guys. Little steep. One at a time, one at a time. One at a
I
time.
can do it. I can do it by myself.
You just go to the bridge. We're going to go fishing. We're going to go fishing. Yeah. Let's see if we can get to it. Mm-hmm. No, it's fine. This one's good. You want to come or no? You can put a stroller up there. Oh. Careful, Colt. Oh, keep going. Let me hold your fishing pole, baby. Yeah. Yeah, Mom don't want to come down here. It's pretty cool, huh? I think Kenny enjoy this trip. River. Kim, come this way. Don't go there. Let's go this way.
This is dangerous.
Dangerous?
Yeah.
Is it fun too?
Kinda.
Okay, come in.
You gotta stay
Now,
first.
Kim, go this way.
Stay first.
Nung chơi mấy chuyện chai nung nó nữa. Chỉ muốn chơi là chừng nung. Anh ăn chai. Okay, I move. Beautiful. Okay, can I take Cat? Go upstairs first. You guys stay here. We're searching for the best experience fishing, huh?
Yeah.
So far, any luck?
Why do you talk quail talk to walk a quail?
So you can walk.
Follow the walk. Follow the walk.
Mm-hmm. Fish it?
No. It will get see like cooking back.
Want to try?
No.
Why?
It will get you stuck.
Stuck? Okay, let's go. Oh no! It's stuck. Oh no! You lost your grind.
They are.
Oh, got it. Lucky us. No, real fast. Oh no, hurry. Hold it. Bad idea.
Okay.
Anything cold? Mm-hmm. Let me see. Wow.
What do you look like?
I look like a swimming fish.
Hey.
Sunny.
I said what color?
Let's go. It's okay. Just go across.
You don't need my hand. Yes, I do.
Woo, that's pretty high. It's okay, baby. Go. Just go. You're afraid of height, just like Daddy. Come on, it's okay. Daddy got you. Daddy cannot drop. Daddy born from here, okay? Woo. We shake it. Shake it. For
Do you know how this thing does a shop so?
yeah, slide. Ooh, good job. Can you go? Yep, go that way. Go. Need help? Good job. Slide like that. Just. Yeah, wait. You okay, Cole? There you go. Slippery? You okay, baby? You out yourself or no? Oh, okay. Be careful.
Stop my study.
It's okay.
It's right.
You'll be okay.
No, I won't. Daddy, Mom's gonna get so mad at me.
Why would Mom gonna be mad at you?
Mom said don't get my study.
It's okay. Can it stay away?
What? It's brown now. I don't care about my.
Look at Colt butt.
What?
Look.
What?
Turn around. Turn around. You pull on your pants, Colt. Let me see you.
Wait, what about Ken?
Yeah. No, can't. He's. Let's look at your pen.
No.
Huh?
That is wet. Now my pen is wet. My pen is wet. So that one.
Oh yeah, because you poo on your pen. Just kidding, and just the right. It's okay.
I know. Ow. Ow. Do you want I can tell? That was easy.
Tie it, cat. Tie it.
I'm tired.
Can you tie it?
Nah.
Let's go hike.
Sure.
Yeah.
I like it.
Lamb pee on his pen. And we did not bring any clothes for him. I don't think there's any fish here. Have you guys touched the water? See the water cold yet? Okay, come on. Cole, I think this is the perfect spot.
I like climbing on rocks. Oh, yeah. Are there sand piranhas? Huh? I think there's sand piranhas out there.
There's something in there.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there are sand piranhas.
I don't see any bait fish, so I mean the fish don't live here. Cole, wrong way.
Why?
This way.
There's sand. Look, don't go.
There's no fish there. We can see there's no fish.
I'm pretty sure there's sand piranhas there. Why? Because I see like little things.
Look,
No, come this way.